Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing another daily dash, or I'm not sure if I'm going to get anything right now. I've been logged in for the last 30 minutes. It's 7:30 in the morning. This is the earliest I've ever been awake. Wanted to go to the gym, but kind of wanted to get an order on the way, so I've been just kind of chilling in my car, watching some YouTube videos and stuff, when I saw this email from John. John is asking, John says, "Hey Tanner, I just got a random background check done by Doordash. Does this happen to everyone else? Is this something that happens every year? Or is it just something that's happening to me? I did have some previous things on my background check before, but it seems like they're still letting me work, and I did not get deactivated or anything, but it was just a random background check." I saw this and I kind of just like blanked it out. It came in around like 4 in the morning. He's probably on the East Coast or something. And then I looked in my email, and guess who else got a random background check? I don't think there's any personal information, but I did. I got a random background check. Checker background check. Notice to consumer request of consumer report and consumer report processing for further employment purposes. Which I found this really weird because initially I just kind of ignored his email because I was like, I don't know. It didn't really pop into my head like, oh yeah, Doordash just random background checks all the time. Apparently they do. And I don't know if this is just for me. Did everyone? I'm asking you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys get a random background check this morning? Today is Saturday, November 6th. I didn't get a random background check before. This is the first time I've ever gotten a random background check. So I was a little confused when this came up, but anyways, I don't know. It went straight to my spam, so I think it came in on Thursday, which is very interesting. Anyways, the email just says, the purpose of this email is to notify you that Checker Inc., a consumer reporting agency, is reporting public record information that may be adverse to you about Doordash. Adverse about you to Doordash. The above listed employer has certified that it requested a background check in connection with your eligibility for employment, promotion, reassignment, or retention per your written authorization. This email is I don't know, it's just a bunch of other random stuff. But it seems like Doordash is doing random background checks. And could this be because they're trying to get rid of the drivers that aren't the greatest? I don't know. Are they doing this to everyone to just maybe it's just a random update to see, maybe they've had a lot of bad dashers, and over the 2020 period they got so many dashers on board, so it kind of only makes sense for them to go through and just get rid of some dashers that aren't doing too well, or maybe they got a bad ticket, or I don't know. I previously am someone who got deactivated by Doordash, and then they reactivated me after they saw that the ticket was actually about to fall off my record. And I actually have a perfectly clean background. There's nothing on my background. It's perfect driving record. No criminal history or anything like that. And the one ticket that I did have that was bad, it was a reckless driving ticket. It was a DUI that got reduced. That was almost 7 years ago now. So that's not actually on my background or anything. So I'm just wondering, is Doordash trying to kind of go through and sift through their drivers and get out the bad ones? Maybe they're trying to, maybe they don't have as much work as they have had, which would make a lot of sense because they did bring on, I would probably say they doubled or tripled their drivers over the 2020 period because so many people wanted to start doing gig work. And let's be honest, anyone can do this job, so there's so many people that want to do this job. Who doesn't want to make extra money while they're just sitting around or coming home from work or something like that? Everyone does. So it only makes sense for them to try to get the best possible, now that they have all this quantity, they're trying to get all the quality out of those drivers and have a better driver platform. We've seen I've reported plenty of bad cases of DoorDashers doing stupid stuff. I'm sure I can only imagine what they see on a daily basis, how many people steal food or scream at a customer or just have straight up bad ratings. So I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know in the comments. Did you guys get a random background check? Or was it just me? Or is it just, maybe it's just people who had previous tickets on their record? I'm not sure. Fortunately, I'm still on the platform and I am logged in right now, but we haven't gotten anything this morning at all. I don't know. Anyways, I'm super excited about the UFC fights tonight. They're going to be crazy. And yeah, so just let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys get a random background check? Or is it just me? Or is it maybe it's just the random people that got bad, I don't know, tickets on the record or something like that? Let me know. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope everyone drives safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Make sure you smash that like button for me, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Peace.